As you can see, the server wire is connected. So also on the other end, you will notice that the cable for the retract is connected to the retract controller. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? All the cables are connected on the retract controller, okay? So which shows that this particular retract has a problem, okay? And like I told you in the mail, the problem is between the motor, this screw, and this lever here that pulls as a retract. So this whole piece has to be changed from here to here, okay? So that is what you need to send to me. It needs to be changed from here to here, okay? So that's where the problem is. The motor is trying to move, okay, but there's something disturbing it here, as this side is fault. The screw is not screwing into this lever here to pull the as a retract. So this whole piece from here, okay, down here needs to be changed. So that's what you need to send to me, okay? Thank you.